Okay, we are Chapter 3 and Chapter 4, Quiz 1, Quiz 2, Part 2. So number 1, we need to write an equation in slope-intercept form. Slope-intercept is y equals mx plus b, given different type of information. Go ahead and try number 1, pause the video, and try. So they already give me the slope, and they give me the y-intercept. So number 1 is y equals 1/4 x minus 5. Number 2, they give us 2 points, x1, y1, x2, y2. Go ahead and use your slope formula, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Pause the video and try. So this would be 6 minus 2 over negative 2 minus 9. That would give me 4 over negative 11. So I know my slope is 4 over negative 11. I plug this into point slope form. Y minus y1 equals m, x minus x1. So I get y minus, my y1 is 2, my slope is negative 4 over 11, parentheses x minus, my x1 is 9. So the first thing in which I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to distribute. If I distribute, I have y minus 2 equals negative 4 over 11x plus 36 over 11. I'm going to multiply everything by 11, and I get 11y minus 22 equals negative 4x plus 36. Add 22, add 22. I get 11y equals, sorry about that. I get 11y equals negative 4x plus 58. Divide by 11, and I get y equals negative 4 over 11x plus 58 over 11. You can also change this into decimal form. So you could either have what I have right here, or you could have had 4 divided by 11. So you could have had y equals negative 0.36x plus 58 divided by 11 would be something close to 5.3. That is also correct. Number 3 says graph. It's in standard form. So I could either put it in standard, or plug in zeros for x and then y, or I can solve for y. Pause the video and try. If I plug in 0, I would have 4 times 0 plus 3y equals 12. I know my 4 would go away. Divide by 3, y equals 4. So my y-intercept would be 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. If I plug in 0 to y, I get 4x plus 3 times 0 equals 12. So I get 4x equals 12. Divide by 4, and I get 3. So x equals 1, 2, 3. There is my line. If you were to get that into y equals mx plus b, let me go ahead and do that over here. I would get rid of the 4x first, so that would be 3y equals negative 4x plus 12. Divide by 3, and I get y equals negative 4 over 3x plus 4. That means I would start at 4, go down 4 over 3, same thing. Number 4, go ahead and pause the video and try. On number 4, write a linear equation in slope-intercept form, so that's y equals mx plus b. To model a tree 4 feet tall that grows 3 inches per year. So that would be y equals 3x per year, means attached to a variable, plus 4. 4 is where I start. It's already 4 feet tall. Number 5. The table of ordered pairs shows the coordinates of 2 points. Which equation describes the function? Here we go. I give you 2 points. Go ahead and find the equation. Pause the video and try. My equation would be y2, so this would be x1, y1, x2, y2. So I would have negative 1 minus 2 over 4 minus negative 2. So this would be negative 3 over positive 6. This reduces to negative 1 over 2. My slope is negative 1 over 2. So I know it can't be A, nor can it be B. It's got to be either C or D. So now I'm going to use point slope, y minus y1 equals m, x minus x1. Y minus, so my y1 is 2. My slope is negative 1 over 2. X minus negative 2, so plus 2. I'm going to go ahead and distribute. This gives me y minus 2 equals negative 1 over 2x minus 2 over 2. I already know 2 over 2 becomes 1. I'm going to add 2 to both sides, add 2 to both sides. I get y equals negative 1 half x plus 1. So it has to be C. Number 1, write an equation in point slope form. Point slope is y minus y1 equals m, x minus x1. So I just need to plug in my information. So this would be y minus, so this is x1, y1. So y minus 6 equals negative 1/3 x minus 3. That is point slope form. Number 2, I need to get this in slope intercept. That is y equals mx plus b. I need to get y by itself. Pause the video and try. So this would be negative 1. I would distribute negative 1. That would give me y minus 9 equals negative 1x minus 2. Now I would go ahead and add 9. So I get y equals negative 1x plus 7. Number 3. I have not taught you number 3 just yet. We're not going to worry about that. I have not taught you number 4 just yet, so we're not going to worry about that. We're also not going to worry about 5 because I have not taught you how to get lines that are perpendicular. And that is part 2.